In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to break Safelock on Piggyvest. So I just make a video on how to Safelock or lock money on Piggyvest. So I noticed that people have been looking for a way to break Safelock on Piggyvest. So I'm going to just show you the preview on how it works, and if possible, maybe you can break a Safelock, and if not, maybe so we can look into that. So the next thing you're gonna do is open your Piggyvest app, then click on savings. Then you can see I already have 1,000 naira on it. So there's one particular thing I also wanted to look into. So this particular money right here, I cannot break it. It cannot be break. That's just it. So let's say, for example, you know when you try to Safelock money on the Piggyvest app, and you know what you toggle on, you know the features you toggle on when you try to Safelock. So I'm gonna show you those options. So once you click on create a Safelock right there, so select any time the duration you want to save money for. So you select the amount you want to save. So let's say 1,000 naira, house rent, blah blah blah. Then scroll down, payback date, you select the best time for yourself. So I currently have 1,000 naira as well. So you click on preview Safelock right there. So the next thing you're gonna see is the features. So I may know that you toggle these two options on, and probably you not read that option before you proceed. You can see on this second option which says, I hereby acknowledge that this Safelock cannot be broken once it has been created, which means you agreed. That is why you turn it on. You agreed that you won't break it until they pay back the money to you. So you don't have any reason or expecting any option to be available for you to break that option. So the best thing is not to invest on the Safelock, since you might know that maybe you might need the money in the future or something like that. It has also happened to me before when I save lock 200,000 naira on the platform, on the app, the particular account, and then after 2 months or 3 months I feel like I really need my money back, so then there's no option for me to be able to withdraw the money. I try to check on the app, there's no option, else I have to wait. So I literally wait till the money matured and I get my money back. So that is all you have to do, you just have to wait. But then if you are looking for a way, or you think maybe you'll be able to break the lock, and you find this video, I'll advise you to stop. Don't invest, don't create a Safelock on this option. You can try another option. We also have some other video on other platforms where you can actually Safelock, and probably you can break it when you want to. But then know that once you break any Safelock, you won't be able to earn any interest from it. The interest will be returned, and even though if they have paid you the interest, they will remove it from your main money, from the main money you actually save on the platform. So that is how it works.